West 1 Bridging Index. The West 1 Bridging Index, WOBI, is a collection of data intended to measure the state of the UK bridging market. Bridging is in effect a short-term loan designed to help a borrower obtain immediate funding to begin a particular project. In most cases, this loan is repaid once a longer-term financial solution is put in place. The UK bridging loan market is currently unregulated by the Financial Services Authority, FSA, and as a consequence the government does not produce any official statistics on the bridging industry. History. The West 1 Bridging Index was launched in 2011 by West 1 Loans. Index source material. The West 1 Bridging Index is calculated and published every 2 months, 6 editions per year, and consists of gross and net lending figures, number of loans, calculated on a 3-month moving average, average loan sizes, first charge loan to value, LTV, monthly interest rate fluctuations, and market predictions. It uses West 1 Loans management data, as well as statistics published by the Association of Bridging Professionals, AOBP, and other leading UK bridging loan lenders.